Hey, Crypto Growth fam, how's it going? This is your host Shazib signing in. We're back with another video, guys. In this video, we will be discussing Nexera, complete disaster. It's going to be an interesting one, guys, so make sure to watch till the end. And folks, for those of you who are new to the channel, we primarily discuss utility coins and potential gems. If you're interested in any of that stuff, then subscribe the channel and hit the notification icon for regular videos. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out as well, only if you're interested. And folks, keep your assets safe, and for that you guys can check out the Crypto Growth exclusive discount offer on Decent. Decent is convenient, safe, and secure. You can check out their biometric wallet, which has got an astonishing $50 off, and you can also check out their biometric wallet 2x package, guys, which has got a phenomenal $129 off, only if you follow the link in the description box below. By the way, folks, Decent supports 3000 plus of your favorite coins and tokens, and it supports 50 plus blockchain mainnets. I personally prefer storing the assets in a cold hardware wallet, so do check out Decent and be safe. Anyways, guys, now let us look into the price and chart of Nexera to see what it has been up to lately, and it hasn't been good. Look at this, guys. This is complete disaster at the moment. Nexera has been hacked again. Yeah, you heard it correctly. And I'm really shocked and really disappointed by this project, which really has had a lot of potential to be one of those great gems that connects TradeFi and DeFi. But guys, this isn't acceptable, to be very honest. I'll be straightforward to say this. Check this out. Satoshi Club. The blockchain protocol Nexera experienced a major security breach, resulting in an $18 million loss. This exploit caused Nexera's token Nexera to plummet by 40% in value. The hackers managed to exploit a vulnerability in Nexera's system, leading to significant financial damage. Nexera's team is currently investigating the breach and working on measures to secure the protocol and prevent future attacks. Guys, the first attack that had happened, remember the bonk attack? Nexera said that Nexera wasn't hacked, basically. Nexera wasn't compromised, wasn't exploited. Rather, it was bonk that was compromised. But guys, here, as we can see, it is Nexera that apparently has been compromised, guys. And look at this, guys. This is the monthly chart. It is really down, and I think they've halted trading. This is why the price has basically sustained over here. But guys, this isn't acceptable in my opinion, guys. Back to okay, so even lower than this chart. I mean, this looks really bad, to be honest, guys. Really bad. Let me show you this post over here. I feel really sorry for the investors, to be very honest. This is really shameful, to be honest, guys. Really bad. The team is investigating an exploit involving smart contracts containing Nexera tokens. While we are still finalizing our findings, there are already a couple of things that we can share. The Nexera token contract has already been paused. Basically, it has been paused. Trading is halted on decentralized exchanges, and we are working with centralized exchanges to halt trading. It seems bad whenever a trade halts. This basically stops the price there at the moment. But guys, whenever that will continue, when trading continues, we might see some more selling pressure that happens most of the time. Everyone is advised to stop trading. We continue to investigate the exploit now, and we'll come back here ASAP with follow-up steps. Thank you for the understanding and patience while we sort this out with the utmost priority. So guys, let's see what Nexera does. There are two more updates. We will see that in a moment. But first, guys, look at these comments over here. Flabbergasted investors, community members. So this is Nagato. I don't want to throw gasoline on the fire, but two hacks in the same year are beyond ridiculous. I do not think that it's the same year. It was in 2023, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, I think it was 2023, guys. Correct me if I'm wrong. But yeah, I get it. Almost same year. The year hasn't ended. It was, I think, late 2023. So yeah, I think Nagato might be correct. Let us look at the price chart over here. So yeah, March 23 new chart. This is the new Nexera chart. So yeah, close to where he's right. Anyways, especially now after a massive market sell-off where investor confidence is already at its lowest. This is true, guys. The market itself is really bad, and we cannot afford stuff like these, guys. Market is really bad already. The sentiment is low. People are scared, fearful already, guys. This doesn't help the matters. It could be the icing on the cake for a disaster. It certainly is a disaster, guys. For me, I think this is a disaster. This shouldn't have happened. Investors are really in a loss at the moment. Don't get me wrong, especially those that bought the top over here. Okay, so yeah, let me close this. Don't get me wrong, I'm confident that the team will once again handle everything in the best possible way. Guys, they handled it really well the last time. But guys, I two hacks in the same year. Nexera hasn't even truly begun to basically grow. I get it. It is the initial stages. Things are prone, they are vulnerable. But guys, this won't increase the investor trust level. That's for sure. Hopefully, the community will respond positively. So let's see what the community are saying. Here we are, almost 1 year later, with teams still falling for the same type of scams. So yeah, what is this? Thought this Ponzi was going to the moon. The moon. How many have noticed the template? We've have been hacked. We've identified the exploit. No issues. Profits taken. Two issues like this before the bull run. The idea is great. Clearly, the product isn't. I held ALBT and Nexera, but this isn't a good look. Game over. No more trust. Unfollow everyone who was shilling this scam project. Cutting edge. To be honest, guys. Uh, I'm really disappointed. I agree. I agree with here with this post. With this post, but I won't call it altogether a scam. We do not know that clearly. We need further investigation. If there was, if there is someone who can investigate it, the reason due of this hack and everything, we do not know it's a scam. But sometimes a project is fails time and again, guys. So Nexera has failed 2 times. Let's see where it goes from here. But it certainly had was a project, a dark horse, a dark horse of a project that certainly had potential, guys. And I think still it does. Let's see how they manage to come up from this. But guys, things aren't looking that good. Second hack, this cycle team bunch of amateurs. Crypto is still so early, man. Nothing really works. Just magic dust. Funny thing is that they're gonna come up with a new contract and a ticker, and people are gonna invest again. We deserve 10k BTC, ALBT, Nexera. Do proper research first, direct hack. Okay. Oh, come on, dude. Are you for real? Does it really matter? Direct or not, it is still a hack. You cannot be defending them right now. That is insanity. Guys, CryptoPete covers a lot of projects. We've covered him before as well, so a name that you already know of if you follow the channel. So yeah, what is he saying? Just a moment. Well, I follow them since a long time. Yes, hack is not good for a project, but it will be forgotten in the long run. Most projects had a hack once in their time. Anyway, I know what to do, and we will see. Any guess hope that it can go back up? Yeah, I think they can recover from here. Rashid is a good CEO, and after some weeks, everything is forgotten. Hopefully, meanwhile, you are the most NE who tweeted first accusing them of a second hack. Are you mental? Okay. Looks like Nexera got hacked again. Rashid, what's going on? Yep, not looking good. Two in less than 1 year, friend. This is bad. Yeah, hacks happened basically. Ethereum DAO got hacked, and a lot of hacks have happened in crypto, even good projects. But guys, two hacks in a row. Obviously, guys, it isn't good. Let's see what the community is saying further. Get burned once, shame on you. Get burned twice, shame on me. Okay. The incompetence from Nexera is absolutely astonishing. 2 hacks within 2 years is baffling. It indeed is, guys. It is indeed is baffling. I've lost so much money investing in this company due to its negligence. It is unbelievable. Attack was not due to a smart contract issue or a security breach. Full trust in Rashid and Metgis, DeVries, always forever. I want to thank our partner Hypernative Labs as well as Binance security team for the huge help and support. Also, a big thank you to Zero Shadow. We managed to handle the situation super fast. As stated, the attack was not due to a smart contract issue or a security breach. We will be sharing more in our post-mortem report. Okay, so they've updated it. The exploit was part of a wider coordinated attack targeting multiple projects and protocols. Of the total Nexera tokens that were transferred, only $440K was effectively compromised. We have made a technical assessment. We are taking steps to ensure we can get the token live. We are also issuing a full post-mortem report. Users who have staked on funders will have all their Nexera restored. Users are still strongly advised against trading. So let's hope. Rest assured, we are working as fast as possible. Solid, we will rise together. But guys, 2 hacks. I mean, scammers, you did it twice. I hope you get justice. Dudes got tism being exploited every year. Scam alert, stop wasting your money on Nexera. Nexera blocks evolution to Nexera official is fully underway. Okay. So what do you guys think about Nexera? Do you think that this indeed is a complete disaster, or do you think that Nexera will eventually recover? But guys, by disaster, I mean that this shouldn't have happened already. The market is in red. So for me, this indeed is a disaster. I would really like your opinions. Do hit the comment box below and let the community know. Anyways, guys, this was it for the video. If you liked it, make sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification icon if you're interested in utility coins and potential gems. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out. Like I always say in the end, until next time, stay blessed and stay tuned. Thank you very much, everyone.